In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Chrome web page not available on Android. So first head over to settings and look for apps or app list. Then click on it. Next is look for Google Chrome on your list of apps, or you can simply search Chrome and click on it. So from here, first you need to verify permissions. So click on permissions. And here, check if these three permissions, specifically camera, location, and microphone, are all allowed. And if not, make sure that you change them from not allowed to allowed. Next is you also have to check if Google Chrome is currently your default browser. So just go back and look for a browser app or default browser setting and click on it. And make sure that Google Chrome is chosen as your default browser. The last way that you can try is to clear Chrome's storage and cache. Look for storage and cache settings, click on it, then start clearing cache by clicking on clear cache, and also you must clear your storage. Proceed by clicking on clear all data. Then once done, head back to Google Chrome and see if the problem has been fixed. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!